Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to enable and disable silent mode on your Google Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. So all you need to do is just click on the volume rockers, then click on the bell, and then you see here this slash against the bell, okay? Tap on that and you'll see at the bottom here, calls and notifications will be muted. That means you turned on silent mode. You also have vibration only, and so what this means is when you get a call, when you get a notification, there'll be no sound, okay, no like, ringtone or whatever, but you'll have the phone vibrate, okay? And if you just want regular sound back on, you tap on this bell right here, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you would ever like to adjust the audio of each sound differently, tap on the volume rockers, then tap on the triple dots, and then you see sound and vibration. And you have all these options: media volume, which is like a YouTube video; call volume, which is a call; ring and vibration, notification volume, and then the alarm volume. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.